Okay, welcome to our production center. This is Elauto Kenya, manufacturer of boda motorbike. I am Mickey Mwanza in sales and operations. Welcome, I show you how our boda motorbikes looks like. Thank you. This is our show house. This is our showroom. This is our reception. In our reception, we have so many bikes. Here we have 125, this is 125 cc, fuel consumption friendly, consumption. It's a very good bike. It's a combination of Honda and Boxer. And the reason was to make it more strong and more robust as opposed to what you have on the market. Again, here we have 150 cc, and on my left, on my right, we have 150 cc. All these bikes are in order. This means we have clients who already invested in these bikes, and what we have done that whenever someone makes an order, what we do is we arrange the bikes as per the order, then we put the bikes here so that it becomes easy for dispatching. Now, welcome to our production center. Welcome to our production center. Basically, what is happening inside here is you see the mechanic. Mechanic are ensuring that the bikes are in order. We have a good product to the market. We have the
plant.
We have the plant manager called Eva, and this is our plant. This is our plant. This is our plant, and this is our plant. This plant produces from on a this day produces from 50 to 70 motorbikes in a day, and basically what we do that the bike comes in spare part, in parts. Now the assembling begins from here. As you can see, it starts from here. This you have station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4, and in the last station is now when we have the final product. Now you can come and see. I'll show you how this looks like. This is the bike that already we have assembled. They are ready for sale, ready to be used, ready for people to come and buy and show them. No, these are the bikes we have. This is how our assembly is. These are our mechanics. You can see our office, our production manager is also here. You can see. So come here and show you. This is what is happening. Basically, what he's doing is to ensure that you have the final product to a rider. He is ensuring that any challenge, he addresses any challenges with regards to the bike, any mechanical issue, and anything that will result into any default when we send the bike to our end user. The reason why we have our production is to make the bikes affordable to our audience. Who are our audience in this business? Our audience are boda riders. So what we have done, considering the market and the others taking advantage of selling motorbikes at high cost, the solution is us having assembling plant so that we pass the cost of production to our riders. And that means now at the end of the day they come and buy the bike at affordable rates so that they are able to make something and also work. The bike itself is good, the bike is strong, the bike is well maintained, the bike is everything. So if you think of owning a bike, whether you are doing courier business, whether you are in a corporate companies, whether you are a boda right, whether you want it for private, think of a boda bike. It's one of the best motorbike in Kenya.